Hurry and run to Dollar Tree and grab some of their Bottlebrush trees, or you can dig some out of your own stash, but Dollar Tree has some pretty cute ones this year, and they're only $1.25 each. I'm sharing 15 awesome ideas today that you're not going to want to miss. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon from TheDailyDIYer.com. Now let's dive into the very first Bottlebrush Tree DIY. I was super intrigued by these LED Bottlebrush trees at Dollar Tree, grabbed one, brought it home. It does need 2 AAA batteries, turned it on, and was super surprised to see that it actually changes colors. So it's got some neat fairy lights up the middle and the star lights up as well. And then it made me think very Grinchy. So we're gonna turn this into a Whoville special tree by just taking that star, bending it down off to the side to give us that Grinchified tree look. I really felt like this tree needed some ornaments, and I really wish I would have had some tiny little pom-poms to use in here, but I didn't. So in true crafter fashion, I just went through my supplies, found some of these friendship beads, and those worked just as well. It gave me some fun colors, just hot glued those around into the tree. I definitely think color is what this Whoville tree needed, and I just sat it on a tiered tray with some Grinchy accessories, but I think this would be so great if you purchased several of these and added them to your whole Grinchy Whoville setup. Now we're really going to hack these mini trees from the Dollar Tree. They come in a set of 8, and you're gonna need 5 to make this project. Take some pliers and you're going to cut off the wood disc at the bottom of all 5 of your trees. We're going to turn these into some very antique and vintage looking ornaments. So we're going to take our first tree and we're going to need some hot glue here. Add some of that glue onto the bottom of the first tree and start adding the other trees into the glue around the middle. We are creating a little Bottlebrush tree star. Now our star can kind of look a little frumpy, so as the glue dries, just make sure you're holding the points in the directions that they need to go to give you that star shape. You can make several of these very inexpensively, and you can make larger ones too if you use larger trees. We can embellish these as well. I had some of these little vase fillers from Dollar Tree. I shook some out onto a plate. It made it a little bit easier to find the sized balls to glue onto the center of these stars, and it kind of covered up the middle there. I think this would be really pretty if you added rhinestones to the center. Some antique buttons would be really pretty too, but just add something in the middle and it kind of covers up where all of those points meet in the middle. Then you can add some string, or this is some gold cording, onto the back, just twisted into a loop, cut down to size, and then hot glued onto the back of the stars. So of course these make super cute ornaments that you can hang on your Christmas tree. But they would also be really pretty added as an addition or an embellishment to a gift, like a mason jar hung on the front. You can add it to the tops of your Christmas gifts or hung off the side of your gift bags too. So what if you're looking for a fun colored Bottlebrush tree, but you can't find what you're looking for? Head to Dollar Tree and get these packs of 2 white Christmas trees, and then you're going to take a paint pen, kind of prime it first, get some of that ink flowing, and then just rub the ink all over the branches of the tree. Now it is going to knock off some of the faux snow that's on there, and there's also some glitter that's going to come off, so make sure to protect your work surface so you don't have stuff all over the place. And then just go around your tree until it's totally covered. Really, really pretty, and you can do this with all kinds of different colored paint pens. I added these 2 trees to my little colorful forest of trees that I already had. And of course, you can change out the colors and make your own rainbow or customize them in whatever colors that you need for your own displays. I love using Bottlebrush trees as accessories on the top of my gifts. It just adds a little extra fanciness to them. And the best way to do that is to take some ribbon and kind of wrap it around your gift as tightly as you can, and then tie a couple knots to make sure that it does stay tight. And also just cut your ribbon so it looks nice, and then we are going to add our tree on top of that. And to do that, here's my little trick. I take my tree and I just rub it along the countertop to make a flat side so it'll lay it a little bit more flat once you push it up underneath your ribbon. The branches of the tree are going to grab onto the ribbon and it's going to hold it down nicely so it doesn't come flying off. You can also add trees to larger gifts. I just like to use larger trees, obviously, and also some larger ribbon. You just tie it up underneath your ribbon like the last one, or you can also tie a nice bow and cut the tails at a dovetail so it gives it a fancy look. So here is my question of the day for you. Do you like to use gift boxes, gift bags, or gift wrap? Let me know down in the comments below. I honestly enjoy wrapping Christmas gifts, so I use all of them. And as much as I can, I like to wrap my gifts, especially with ribbon like this. But I would love to know, what do you prefer? Let me know down in the comments below. And now back to our mini Bottlebrush trees. I love these things from Dollar Tree. We're also gonna grab some of these wood dowels. They're only about 6 inches long, also from Dollar Tree in the crafting section. Add a little bit of some hot glue onto the end of one side of the dowel rod and set your little tree into the glue, and repeat this for as many as you want. We're making some little stir sticks. These are so cute to add to a coffee bar or a hot cocoa bar, or for a holiday party. Give them as a gift, kind of wrap them up with some hot cocoa or a coffee mug. Sky's the limit here. These are so quick and easy to make. Also super duper affordable, and I don't know, just adds a little extra spark of holiday cheer. We're going to stay with those mini trees for this project again, along with these mini glass containers that you can find at Dollar Tree. I love these things. They are so cute. They are glass, so be careful, but they do have a removable cork in the top that you can just take out. We're also going to take one of those mini Bottlebrush trees, trim the wood bottom off the bottom of the tree, and then we're going to fill just a little bit of the bottom of these containers up with some Epsom salt to create our snow base. And then some tweezers is actually what comes in handy here to be able to push those trees down into the bottom and position them into the snow so they sit up straight. Add your cork back onto the top of the container, and we have the cutest little miniature kind of snow globe cloche that you can add to your tiered trays or wherever you need a little tiny burst of wintry Christmas cheer. You can also use your Bottlebrush trees as a diffuser. So you just need some essential oil and kind of drip it down onto your Bottlebrush tree. Highly recommend that you get more of a natural Bottlebrush tree for this. Probably not the ones from Dollar Tree, ones that are made of more of the sisal, so it will suck in some of that essential oil and give you that nice scent. And here's kind of a bonus idea for you. I definitely would scale your Christmas trees bigger than the ones that I have, but you can put them into candlesticks, especially brass candlesticks look really nice with some Bottlebrush trees put on there. Gives you a kind of old world antique-y feel. Just a bonus idea. Hopefully you'll give that one a try. You can find these really beautiful cut glass candle holders at Dollar Tree. I added some LED candles in there, and they're set on a timer so they come on at night, and I put them in my windows in the kitchen. And just during Christmas time, I had these trees. They fit down in there perfectly, and I just thought it was an extra special little touch, perfect for Christmas and for the winter season. And at nighttime, those candles come on and glow. Next, pick up a charger plate from Dollar Tree. I really like this one. It has the snowflakes on it. Very Christmassy and wintry. We're going to make a little snow village. Take some Epsom salt, put it in the center of your charger plate, and then we're going to take some houses. Mine are randomly from the Target Dollar Spot over the years, but you can also use the little houses you can find at Dollar Tree for this. And then we're going to take some Bottlebrush trees, of course, from Dollar Tree here. I love that they come in the different heights to give you some variation when you're building your little village. You just take those out and randomly stick them down into the salt or the snow. And then one extra little thing that I did here was also add some battery powered tea lights, which you can find at Dollar Tree as well. It's going to help this light up and glow for you and look extra pretty during the nighttime. If you're like me, you probably already have a ton of coffee mugs. If not, head to Dollar Tree. They have tons of different ones to choose from, and of course super affordable. You can find these tiny little ones at Hobby Lobby. I think they were so cute. And we're going to use it to create a Bottlebrush tree display. So easy peasy, you just set your trees right down into the mugs. If you need a little height, add a wood block in there. You can also find those at Dollar Tree too, and it'll raise up your trees to give them some more height so they don't fall to the bottom of your mugs. You can also probably use some paper towels or something like that too. You can mix and match these around until you're happy with them, and then you have a really pretty Bottlebrush tree display. These would be cute on top of a cabinet, on a shelf, in your kitchen, on a cabinet where you keep all of your kitchen supplies. Very cute. Love the coffee mugs, especially for Christmas time. So just a few clips back, you may have noticed the sisal Bottlebrush tree that I used in the essential oils idea. This is how I made them. So these are little candle cups. You can paint the bottoms, you can stain the bottoms, give them a completely different look if you want. These are 3 different shades of some paint that I used. And then these trees are actually from the Target dollar spot, and you can find them at different craft stores as well too. Super easy to just pull the bottoms of those off and then put them into these candle cups. It gives it more of a fancy look, an old world look, and custom look too. It's so easy to do, to just kind of upgrade the trees that you might already have. So I also wanted to mention that I will link these candle cups down in the description box below for you. And also I will try to link as many of the supplies that I'm using today down in the description box below as well, to make it a little bit easier for you to find if you are looking to recreate any of these projects yourself. During the springtime, you can find these red trucks in the little fairy garden area at Dollar Tree. So I always grab several of them and keep them handy throughout the year because they're cute with pumpkins in them for fall and Halloween, and with those mini Bottlebrush trees again, super cute for Christmas time. Just hot glue one of those mini trees onto the back of the truck, and then you can use it for different things. For this idea, I have a wood cutout. Sometimes you can find these at Dollar Tree too. If not, I'll link some down in the description box below for you. And then I have a white chalk marker that I added some snow, or we're gonna call it snow, onto the wood slice. We're gonna hot glue our truck on there, and also a couple more little miniature Bottlebrush trees to make a snowy Christmas scene. And then you can set your little snowy scene wherever you want. I love that it kind of fits into these mini tiered trays that you can find in the Target dollar spot for only $5. A great deal there. Just a little extra special touch to this. And then I have another idea using those red trucks to make a centerpiece. So head to Dollar Tree, we're gonna grab one of these wood snowflakes and then paint the whole snowflake white. Definitely don't forget to get all the edges of your snowflake and the little nooks and crannies in there. And once it's dry, then we're gonna use this as a base of our centerpiece. Also grab one of these bubble vases from Dollar Tree, set it in the middle, again with our awesome Epsom salt, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. We're gonna put some of that into the vase, grab our red truck with our little Christmas tree in the back, set that down into the middle of the snow, and then you can put a plate, also from Dollar Tree, right on the top. I would not glue it on. If you wanted to, you absolutely could, but I like this because if you're gonna use it as at a party to put treats on or cookies on or something like that, then it's easy to just take it back off, wash it, and reuse it. Before we get to the next project, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I post brand new budget-friendly Dollar Tree DIYs here every single week, and that will ensure you never miss a video. But if you're not new here, then you know I am obsessed with mason jars. I use them all the time, and I love that Dollar Tree has them. And they also have a new bigger quart size too, so keep your eye open for that. We're gonna make a little snow globe here with a mason jar, some Epsom salt in the bottom, and some Bottlebrush trees stuck down into our snowy salt. And then the one extra little special thing we're also gonna add in here are some fairy lights, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. We're gonna take our fairy lights and just wrap them around our hands so they kind of make the same size as about what goes inside the jar. Tuck them into the jar, kind of hang the battery pack out the side, add the lid back on top. You don't want to tighten it too much because we don't want to break the string. And then you have a light up snow globe. For this project, we're gonna need 4 wood boxes from Dollar Tree, and the ones I'm using here have little cutouts on them. Not to worry if you can't find some plain ones, these work too. You just wanna make sure that you turn those cutouts to the back. I'm gonna be adding some letter decals onto the front of these boxes, spelling out the word Noel, but you can also use a paint pen and draw them out, or you can head to the craft store and find some letter stickers and apply them onto these boxes as well. Then you'll just line your boxes side by side and add your little Bottlebrush trees on top, which gives it its extra special little touch. I would love to know which one of these ideas was your favorite. Let me know down in the comments below. And I have another easy and affordable Christmas Dollar Tree DIY video popping up on your screen. Go ahead and click that, and I will see you over there.
It climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.